In a dramatic reversal that's reshaping the artificial intelligence landscape, Silicon Valley is undergoing a profound shift away from the breathless promises of artificial general intelligence that dominated just months ago. Tech leaders are now calling AGI overhyped and not a super useful term in a stunning about-face from their previous positions. This reversal follows the lukewarm reception of OpenAI's GPT-5 model in early August, which marked a turning point for AI expectations. Despite being marketed as a step toward AGI, the model was widely viewed as underwhelming. AI critic Gary Marcus captured the sentiment perfectly when he called GPT-5 overdue, overhyped, and underwhelming. The disappointment was so pronounced that OpenAI saw its perceived market leadership plummet from 75% to just 14% likelihood of having the best AI model by the end of August. The most telling aspect of this shift comes from the very architects of the AGI narrative. Sam Altman, who just months ago confidently declared that OpenAI knew how to build AGI and predicted its arrival by 2025, has now completely retreated from such language. He recently told CNBC that AGI is not a super useful term after his company's latest flagship model failed to deliver the revolutionary breakthrough many expected. But it's not just Altman. A chorus of prominent figures has now joined the skeptical camp. Google Brain founder Andrew Ng declared at a Y Combinator event that AGI has been overhyped, emphasizing that for a long time there'll be a lot of things that humans can do that AI cannot. Even former Google CEO Eric Schmidt, who earlier this year predicted AGI within 3 to 5 years, co-authored a New York Times op-ed in August acknowledging uncertainty about AGI timelines, a significant departure from his previous optimism. Behind this rhetorical shift lies mounting evidence that current approaches to AI development face fundamental limitations. Research from Apple found that advanced reasoning models rely on pattern recognition rather than logical thinking. Studies show that the average hallucination rate across leading LLMs ranges from 7 to 12%, a significant barrier to reliable general intelligence. Meta's chief AI scientist Yann LeCun has been particularly vocal, dismissing LLMs as not being a road toward what people call AGI. He argues instead for alternative approaches like world models that could better simulate physical reality. Meanwhile, researchers warn that the high-quality data needed to train ever larger models may be exhausted between 2026 and 2032, creating a fundamental constraint on current approaches. This industry shift reflects a maturing sector grappling with the gap between inflated expectations and current technological capabilities. Companies are now redirecting focus from speculative AGI promises toward more practical AI applications that can deliver immediate value. The focus is shifting to specialized models, efficiency improvements, and practical applications rather than theoretical breakthroughs. What we're witnessing is not the end of AI progress, but rather a necessary correction from overhyped expectations to more realistic applications. The industry is moving from chasing science fiction fantasies to building practical tools that solve real problems. This